For users to gain access to this service module, user entitlements must be granted. The first step is to select the accounts the user is entitled to work with. Move the account or accounts over to the selected box. A list of enrolled accounts is displayed in the box on the left titled Available Accounts. To grant a user one or more entitlements to an account or accounts, move accounts from Available Accounts to Selected Accounts. Single right arrow moves the selected account to the right. Double right arrow moves all accounts to the right. Single left arrow moves the selected account to the left. Double left arrow moves all accounts to the left. To assign the user all privileges to the selected accounts, click the All link. To remove all privileges, select the None link. Act on Approved List will allow the user to add a company to the approved list from the Transaction History screen. Since this entitlement is performed via the Transaction History page, the entitlement of Transaction History must also be granted. Approved List will allow the user to access the Approved List menu to add, edit, and delete companies from their approved list. Change Transaction History status will allow the user to make pay or no pay decisions on transactions. Since this entitlement is performed via the Transaction History page, the entitlement of Transaction History must also be granted. Notification rules will allow the user to specify who should be alerted, the method of alert, and the conditions that should prompt an alert. Notification Rules Report will allow the user to access a report that displays the notification rules, contact method, and conditions that have been configured on each account. Transaction History will allow the user to view the ACH debit transaction details. Click the Save User button.